Thinking about setting up an LLC in Pennsylvania? Here's a quick guide to help you get started, plus some insider tips to make the process smoother. And if it all sounds a bit overwhelming, filingfox.com can take some of the legwork off your plate so you can focus on building your business. Step 1. Pick a name. It might seem straightforward, but your LLC's name needs to follow certain rules to get approved. It should end with Limited Liability Company, LLC, or something similar. Names suggesting government agencies, banks, or nonprofits are off limits unless you have specific licensing. Also, your chosen name needs to be unique. No duplicates in Pennsylvania's database. Quick tip: check name availability for free through the Pennsylvania online portal. Don't wait too long. Secure the domain for your website early, even if you're not planning to launch immediately. It's a smart move to lock it down at this stage. Step 2. Find a registered address. Your LLC needs a physical street address in Pennsylvania, either your home, a business location, or a registered agent service. Using a service like filingfox.com's trusted registered agent keeps your address private and prevents personal details from becoming public. It also saves time and offers peace of mind since one of their team members handles your mail, scanning everything to your account. Step 3. File formation paperwork. This is where you file your certificate of formation, i.e., the official document that officially creates your LLC. For Pennsylvania, it's Form DSCB:15-8821. The filing fee is $125 unless you're a veteran or reservist who can file for free. If your LLC is from another state but wants to do business in Pennsylvania, you'll need to file as a foreign LLC using Form DSCB:15-412, paying $250. You can submit your paperwork online via Pennsylvania's Business One-Stop Shop for the fastest process, or download the forms and mail them in. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although Pennsylvania law now requires this, having a clear operating agreement is highly recommended. It spells out ownership, responsibilities, profit sharing, and processes, making your internal workings transparent and reducing conflicts. Think of it as the rulebook for your LLC's success. Need a head start? Filingfox.com provides free templates to help you craft yours. Step 5. Get an IN. The last step is obtaining a Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN. It's free and straightforward through the IRS online portal. Your LLC needs this number to open bank accounts, handle taxes, and hire employees. Post-formation essentials. Once your LLC is set up, keep personal and business finances separate. Use a dedicated bank account in your LLC's name. Consider business insurance to protect against unforeseen risks. Think about hiring an accountant for ongoing tax management. Build a professional website to attract customers. If you want to do it yourself, there are helpful guides from filingfox.com. Stay on top of annual filings. Pennsylvania now requires an annual report due by September 30th with a filing fee of just $7. Simplify the journey. Handling every step on your own can be a lot. Services like filingfox.com can manage the paperwork, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. If you want more guidance or have specific questions, reach out at info@filingfox.com. We're here to make the process simple and accessible. You've got what it takes to create your Pennsylvania LLC. Let's make it happen.